Hello, teacher.
Hello,
Hello,
potato.
teacher.
Hello, can you
Hello,
hear me?
teacher.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you today? Hello, little brother. How are you
Mama,
today?
hello, Putin, Pak.
Hello, Putin. Hi, Putin. Hello, Putin. Hi. Look at the hand of Putin Potato. He's doing like this.
It's hi.
Yeah, he's saying hi to me because he's doing like this. Hi, Putin. Can you hear teacher? Hi. What's that? See? Oh, Putin is also saying hi to me. Okay. So here we go, Potato. Let me
Wait.
share to you the screen so we can start now with your activity this evening. Okay. So let me, okay. Potato, we are now here at Unit 18, Lesson 4 of our activity, okay?
Wait.
Okay.
Bố cho một cốc nước. Chưa?
Okay.
Putin.
Putin, hi Putin. Okay, Potato, ready now?
No.
Not yet. Oh, tell me when you're ready.
No. Mau, đừng có nào mà ăn không.
Đi ra ngoài em làm gì đâu, không làm.
Okay. In room.
Okay. All right, so Potato,
Yeah.
let's do this. So we
Yeah.
have here a question, what he or she doing? The answer should be here is, he's blank, okay? He's plus the verb ing, okay?
Yeah.
Here. Now here, Potato, again.
What she doing?
Is,
He is drawing a picture.
okay, this one.
What she doing? He is watching the TV. He is
Okay.
watching TV.
This one. Look at letter A. Letter A, Tony. She's cleaning. Please read letter A. She's.
Is
Ay, number one. Sorry. Read number one.
Is with me.
Okay.
Here. She is playing the piano. He is playing the piano.
Next, letter B. How about letter B?
Letter B is he is cleaning the floor.
Okay. Letter C. What's letter C?
He is drawing the picture. Bố em ỉa đi đun luôn á.
Okay, drawing a picture. And letter D.
He is watching TV.
Okay, let's check now. We have here, very good. Letter A is he's playing the piano. B is she's cleaning the floor. C is he's drawing. D is he's watching TV. Very good. Now here, Tony. Sorry, potato.
No,
Here, letter A. What is she doing? What is she doing? Letter A. She is.
What? What?
Letter A. What is she doing? She's
Yes.
drawing. Again,
She's
she's.
drawing.
Okay, letter B.
She's
What is letter B? What is she doing? Letter B.
She's cooking.
She is cooking. Again.
Cooking.
Okay. Letter C. What's letter C? What is she doing?
Listen.
Listening.
Listen to music.
Not listen. She's listening to music. Correct. Next, letter D. What is he doing? Letter D. What is he doing? Letter D.
He is watching the TV.
Very good. He is watching the TV. Now here, look at here, potato. My mother is blank the room. What is your mother doing in the room?
Mother is
My mother is.
Mẹ mình ra ngoài. Go out room.
Oh, my brother.
My mom is đi học cái gì nhỉ bố?
Again.
Mẹ đi học cái gì nhỉ bố?
My brother is blank a book.
Go. Đi học cái gì nhỉ bố? My brother is go to school.
Your brother go to school? How about my children? What's the children doing?
Children
My children are.
My children are. My children are. Đi về bố.
Again.
Go home.
My children are go home. How about what are the children doing at the TV? My children are blank the TV.
No, I'll go home.
Oh, the children went home. Again.
What? The children are watching TV.
Watching TV. Next, how about here? Mai and Fong are blank to music.
My what?
Mai and Fong are, what are they doing?
Listen to music.
Listening. Again. Mai and Fong
to
are
music.
listening to music. Okay, very good. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, potato, I want you to arrange. Copy the words and write this to arrange. Number 1. This one, oh, example, potato. I music to listening. The correct answer is I am listening to music. Copy. I am listening to music. Oh, okay. You arrange now, potato.
Music here.
Okay. Come on,
Wait me.
Okay, you try to answer number 2. Look at number 2. My friend.
Wait me.
You start it with my friend. Okay, go.
With me. With me. With me. With me. With me. Okay.
Okay, you answer number 2, my friend.
No. Wait. Music.
No, you're right, you're right.
No. Here.
Oh, number 2, potato, right? Number 2. What's the correct
Wait.
nonsense number 2?
With me. Mình viết lại nhé. Bật nhé. Mình viết lại cho bạn nhé. Gì?
Don't do like that, potato. You need to write. Potato, not
No,
like
I
that.
don't like what.
Oh, you're right there.
What?
You're right.
No, I don't like what. iPad của mình không thể write được là gì bố? iPad của mình không thể write được là gì?
Listening.
Không thể write được.
Music.
Không
Okay,
không
like
thể không
potato,
thể
like that
vẽ được là
potato.
sao bố?
Oh, you answer
Gì
now. Number 2. Right, number
Bố là
2.
sao bố?
Go.
Bố là sao? My iPad cannot.
Arrange the words potato and write your answer. The words are there.
Mình không thể viết được trong iPad là gì bố? Cái là cái này đâu rồi? Bố. Bố lấy. Con ăn ngu quá.
Ngồi đi học đi.
Con ăn.
Không, giờ ăn đã.
I don't write in iPad. I don't write in iPad.
Okay, what's the answer? If you don't write, you tell me the answer. What's the sentence in number 1? You have to answer. Come on. What's the answer?
Look. I don't eat it to
Friend, my is homework her doing. What do you think is the correct word?
music.
What's the first word? What's the first word?
Listen in music.
Oh, number 2. What is the answer number 2?
My friend is homework her doing.
No, what's the answer? What's the first word? My friend. What's the correct word? My friend.
My friend is homework.
Is homework?
Doing.
My friend is
Doing
homework
her.
doing? My friend.
My friend is doing her homework.
Let's check. Hi. My friend is doing her homework. Correct. Next. Potato number 3. What?
What are you doing?
Oh,
What are you doing?
there's parents.
Potty.
Again, wrong. That's wrong.
What?
What?
What are parents?
What are your parents?
What are your parents doing?
Let's check. Are you correct? Look at there. Look at.
Yeah.
Oh, what are your parents doing? Number 4.
Are you how you there?
Again?
How you there?
No, you ask with where.
What
You use where.
what?
Where?
Where are you? How?
Where are you now? Are you correct?
Yes. Yes, my
Yes.
booking is correct. My booking is
Good.
not correct.
Okay, correct. Where are you now? Now here with me. All right, Tony, Potato, you enter again because my Zoom will close. Enter again, okay? Come back, come back.
Ito radio.
Enter again, enter again.
And para ay
Oh, enter.